Did you know that the way you think about money might be sabotaging your chances of building real wealth? While some people accumulate fortunes, others remain trapped in debt. And the difference lies in something simple yet crucial: financial knowledge. Today, I'll reveal Robert Kiyosaki's groundbreaking lessons that millions have used to completely transform their financial lives. Stick around until the end, because what I'm about to share could be the key to changing your reality. And trust me, this isn't something you were taught in school. The rich buy assets. The poor only have expenses. The middle class buys liabilities thinking they are assets. This phrase illuminates the path to wealth, revealing the secret that separates the truly prosperous from the perpetually indebted. Awakens our financial awareness, encouraging us to reevaluate our choices and seek assets that truly generate income and growth. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. A powerful reminder that challenges us to break harmful patterns and embrace change as a catalyst for success. Inspires us to step out of our comfort zones, try new strategies, and continuously strive for personal and financial growth. It's more important to grow your income than cut your expenses. It's more important to grow your mind than cut your costs. A revolutionary perspective that invites us to think big and focus on the unlimited potential for growth and abundance. Motivates us to invest in ourselves, seeking knowledge and opportunities that expand our capacity to generate wealth. Losers avoid failure, and failure turns losers into winners. A transformative view that redefines failure as a valuable teacher on the path to lasting success. Encourages us to embrace challenges, learn from mistakes, and use every experience as a stepping stone to growth. Intelligence solves problems and produces money. Money without financial intelligence is money that disappears quickly. A crucial reminder that knowledge is the true power behind lasting wealth and prosperity. Encourages us to prioritize financial education, turning it into a powerful tool to multiply and preserve our wealth. If you want to be rich, you need to be financially educated. A fundamental truth that highlights financial education as the key to unlocking the doors of prosperity. Motivates us to continuously seek knowledge, turning information into action to build a solid foundation of wealth. You have to be a little crazy to be successful. I never played it safe. I always took risks. A bold call to embrace creativity and courage, reminding us that the extraordinary is born outside the comfort zone. Inspires us to dare, think differently, and take calculated risks, opening doors to unique opportunities for growth and success. The fear of failure is worse than failure itself, a powerful reflection that exposes how our fears can be the biggest obstacle between us and our dreams. Encourages us to face our fears, transforming them into fuel for action and progress on our financial journey. Most people fail to realize that in life, it's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you keep. A paradigm-shifting revelation that highlights the crucial importance of intelligent resource management. Leads us to rethink our relationship with money, focusing not only on earning more, but also on investing and preserving wisely. The word impossible is just an opinion. Don't accept it as a fact. An inspiring invitation to challenge limits and see opportunities where others see insurmountable obstacles. Stimulates our creativity and determination, encouraging us to pursue our financial dreams with unwavering confidence and persistence.
Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in the next video.